Today is the 22 of August 2024. We are in Għadira Nature Reserve and we are about to release Greater Flamingo. He has been found in Gozo and he has been collected from the EPU. He was a young flamingo and it might happen that young flamingo come land because they are weak and underweight, and that's what happened to him. So after a period of rehabilitation, now it's ready to be released, and we are going to release him in Għadira, where there are already currently some flamingo here.